Hello, what's up guys? How are you? I will talk you about the Woodmark. It's the multi-purpose e-commerce theme. It is very important in your life for your business life. Actually, Woodmark is a very powerful multi-purpose e-commerce theme. Its benefit is very good. Its rate is very cheap, $59 only. Its 5-star review 4.91, 5-star review. Woodmark is a premium theme optimized for creating e-commerce online stores that provide a super fast interface for the unlimited user experience. You can buy these things. It's very important. Woodmark is a premium WordPress theme that designed from the ground up for building supreme e-commerce online store of any kind. Focused on user experiment first, e-commerce you use a powerful AZAX teach to give user a very fast seamless online shopping interface without the need to constantly replace pages. Build any kind of online store you can imagine and start earning that passive revenue stream you can have been thinking about with Woodmark for WordPress and never look back. All in one e-commerce solution. Woodmark WooCommerce theme does not require stones to plug in to run your online stores. The most important feature come out of the box. You do not need to purchase anything extra. Wishless compares products using bolt-in sliders and other features will save you from installing at least 10 to 20 unnecessary plugins. Use our quick setup widget and run your online store in a few clicks. Theme setting panel with a powerful theme setting panel that allows you to change a plethora of theme setting with a single click. You do not need any coding experience without the need for multiple plugins to power it. Woodmark is a small, learn and fast, so you can get on with business. The theme setting panel gives you in graphical interface to make simple changes quickly and easily. Full customization. Optimize your Google page script. Responsive design. Retina ready. SEO optimized themes. Powerful AZAX. Overall 88 demo website, 400 pre-made sections, advanced varieties products, drag and drop headers builders. You can buy these things to click our description box or comment box. Thank you.